Hello.
Morning.
So we've got a very busy day today. We are going to Scotland tomorrow.
We are.
We are not packed.
No.
Not even a little bit.
No, we've got a lot to do today. But yeah, we've got a exciting morning.
So I got an invitation to go and see some new cars. So basically they're going to try and sell me a new car.
Yes.
And I thought, well, we should go look.
Absolutely, you should go to look. Yeah, why not? We've got to go to look. You're in a really good situation because you love your car.
I really love my seat. Like, if you can see, they're like red leather seats, and I really love this car.
And they sent us an invitation, so we've got to go and see what they say.
Yeah.
There's no way we're walking away without a new car now. Without.
I don't know. I'm a hard sell, I reckon.
I don't know. There's no way you can walk around a dealership and not find the car you like.
I don't know.
No way.
We'll go seeing them anyway. And then, really, this is not the most ideal day to do it.
No.
But I had to go and do it within like 2 weeks, and we're away. So we're going to go do it now anyway.
Of course.
And then we're going to go home and we're going to pack.
Yes, we only got a couple of hours to pack because we're out tonight as well.
Yeah. Yeah. We've not planned this great.
It'd be fine. It's a very different type of pre-travel day than normal for us. But it's fine.
So we thought we'd bring you to come and see some cars.
Absolutely. I love looking at a car. I love car shopping.
Yeah.
I could spend hours and days. So this is going to be quick for us. One garage, that's never happens.
But it is the garage I got this car from.
Yeah.
So it's got all the garages.
Yeah, we looked at it last time we were there.
Yeah.
And then went back to the Vauxhall.
I'm actually a Vauxhall VIP. I don't know if you've heard of us. We're a very special group of people.
That spend more money.
Yeah. There is.
Right then. There's no way we walking out.
That's cute.
See? Already. There's no way we're walking out here and not buying a car. No way. No way.
I'm sticking to my guns.
Yeah, so am I. I couldn't do it, so I don't know how you could do it.
Because I love my car.
And that's lovely, but you can pick red seats again if you want to.
Found a new mocha.
It's nice. I like your screens. That's really nice.
He said, it's Apple CarPlay, but is it still plug-in?
No, because that's upgrade. Even if you went to it, you went for, if that's an upgrade, you have it all Bluetooth. This is a basic model.
It's quite nice as a basic model, isn't it? I like the new steering wheels.
I mean, it looks basic at the moment. Because all the other, if you went for the bigger upgrades, you wouldn't have all that. You have a bit of a better trim than that.
It does. It's not very high up, actually. It's nowhere near as high as my one.
No, you said it's quite.
Yeah.
It's nice.
It is nice. This is the one John likes. We'll let John say in the... Oh, I like that.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
I just think, look how long it is. Yeah. He said we're allowed to play in the cars.
That's gorgeous, isn't it?
Do you want to get in?
No, because not available now. And we're not doing 2 cars today.
And then there's the other option, it's the Corsa.
I personally think the Mocha looks better than the Corsa. I think, yes, it's the same type, it is the same, but I think the front end, personally, it's not my car, you've got to decide, but I think this, to me, looks a bit...
I love this car, and it just wasn't quite right. I didn't get the same, like, when I bought this car, I was so excited. I, phoned my dad. I was like, oh, I love this car.
Yeah.
I didn't get the same feeling, and I don't know if I'll get that feeling every time I buy a car, but I didn't get it this time, so
it wasn't right today.
No.
What I was surprised about, I was convinced you was going to get a new Mocha.
Yeah.
It's a nice car. There's some nice ones in there, but, it didn't feel right. So we walked away. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I seen a nice car.
Yeah. If we were in a different position, someone wouldn't be walking away, would they?
If it was my day, then no, I think I'll be driving a new car now.
But I stuck to my guns, and I knew what I wanted, and it wasn't that, so...
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Fair enough. No, that's,
but it does mean maybe next year, maybe not this year, because I'm going to live on this car and it's due its MOT.
Yep.
So then I'll get a full year out of it. But maybe next year we can go car shopping. I don't know.
Absolutely, I'm never going to turn that down. I love car shopping. You scratch the itch. You find out what you wanted to say. You looked at it, and you like this one more than the ones that you've seen. So nothing to lose. Happy days.
But the new Mocha is very handsome.
It is.
But actually, something interesting, I don't know if you noticed from the clips in that, he was saying that the Mocha, the new one, is basically a Corsa, exactly the same, but taller.
Yeah.
And it isn't even as tall as this car.
No.
So, I don't know why, I don't really understand that, but...
This was lovely. I mean, the seats and the interior sold this one to you.
Yeah.
Nothing really was up to that
It wasn't
standard.
special, was it?
It wasn't like what grabbed your attention for this car was the interior.
Yeah.
And there wasn't anything there that done that.
No.
I mean, so they were nice, don't get me wrong, they were nice.
Well, they were all just like copy and pasted. I guess because they're new, and I've never bought a new car before, so maybe that's, and you have to look on, because I guess you would do all the customization on the computer.
Yeah.
So then maybe I like buying a used car.
Well, someone else done it for you, I suppose.
Yeah, and you can just see, the guy that did this one was called Andy.
Yeah.
I know, because he left all his phone details on there. And he had it all, customed how he liked it.
Yeah.
And me and Andy clearly have the same taste. So, I think maybe I like looking at, used cars. But anyway, we've got to go home. Yeah, we've got to go home now and pack.
Absolutely. I've got another itch because I really like Grandland. Really nice car.
They were really nice in there too.
They were. They always
There was
are.
absolutely no pressure. So well done, Vauxhall, because I was feeling really bad. Because at one point I did think I was buying a car, and then I decided it wasn't quite right. So, but he was very, very nice. He told me if it wasn't right, it's not right.
Absolutely.
He wasn't going in for a sale, which sometimes they are.
Them days are gone, aren't they?
Maybe,
Them days long gone, hopefully. I mean, no, they're always great. We've been there a lot now. They were great. And it didn't feel right,
Yeah.
But yeah, you're right. We need to go back and pack now. Because we're on holiday tomorrow.
Yay! I'm tidying the camera bag, but why does it never look tidy? We've got, John got new hand warmers. They're not in there. We've got the mics. A mouse, because I can't use the Mac without a mouse. A million cables in our Haunted Mansion bag. But yeah, it never ever looks tidy in there. Out of everything in that bag, that's all I managed to get rid of. It's just the plugs for Europe, which we obviously don't need. Is that Europe or is that America? I don't know. One of them is Europe. And then one watch charger. Another converter. That's it. And the SCART lead, is that what that's called?
Oh yeah. We do.
So that's it. Does anyone else pack baking stuff when they're going on holiday?
We do.
We do. Louis excited. He don't know why. Not one thought.
You should see alcohol we taking.
Yeah, there's a lot of wine. Look how excited Louis is.
I think we've taken too much. I think we've taken too much.
Probably.
We always do, but we'd rather have it with us than not at all. We just got to do our clothes now.
Yeah. While we're away, it says the Wi-Fi is good enough to check your emails, but that's about it.
Yep.
So we didn't want to risk streaming anything.
No.
So we've downloaded a whole bunch of stuff.
Loads of stuff, to be fair. From Disney Plus, Netflix, Amazon.
Yeah.
A couple of Sky things as well, I think.
Yeah, so I guess just a few. We don't need to go through all of them maybe, but John is currently rewatching the first season of Night Agent.
Yeah, I've got one more left to go. It's amazing. I remembered a lot of it, but it's good to rewatch it before you start watching the other series.
Yeah.
I've got one more to go tonight. It's awesome. I love it. They are doing a third season, aren't they? What's good to know.
Well, it means that whatever the cliffhanger is at the end of the second one, he doesn't die.
That's good point.
So we also downloaded Bank of Dave 2.
Yes.
We both liked Bank of Dave 1.
We did. Yeah, there's a series of that as well. But we haven't watched that.
It's older though, isn't it?
I think so. I don't know if that's like real life him or it was. I don't know what's the difference between a film and a series.
No,
really,
I'm not sure, but they're both on Netflix.
Yeah.
We've downloaded Tag, which is we've seen it before, but it's a real good feel-good film, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yellowstone, because we've never watched that.
No, I've been told that was meant to be really good. Your brother likes it, and we keep on saying about it. So we thought
John likes like cowboy. I was going to say Texas, but it's cowboy stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
We
started watching it, but didn't really get into it, and we were told that this second episode gets better. I think we didn't get into like the second episode.
And sometimes it is like that, though, isn't it? We downloaded a couple of end of the worldy ones.
We like them,
because we like an end of the world, and then every single Jurassic Park we could find.
Only because there's a new one coming out very soon, like 14th yesterday.
Yeah,
it was coming out, so we might see that when we're back. So we'll rewatch the older ones.
So that was Netflix.
Yep.
Prime. I've got a bones pick with Prime, Amazon.
Oh, yeah.
Firstly, you pay for Prime. Well, not just that, but you pay for Prime and then you have to pay for movies, which gets on my nerves. I understand, like, the brand new ones. Like, maybe I understand Wicked.
Yeah.
But, like, some of them are not even new. And
no,
they were like,
I don't understand.
Like, I wanted to watch Beetlejuice, and I'm not paying a fiver to watch Beetlejuice, so...
It doesn't make sense. If you pay for prescription, what we do... Why have we got to pay extra?
Yeah, Amazon. Also, they capped our download. They would only let us download 6 things.
Yeah.
So that was annoying. So
Caleb, that'd be good.
Yeah, Caleb, the Jeremy Clarkson thing.
His mate.
We downloaded the whole of Ryan.
Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah.
Trahan. He's a YouTuber, so you can watch him all on YouTube if you want to.
Yeah.
But he does like challenges and stuff, and Amazon
he started
had
$1.
A penny.
A penny. And he wants to get to where?
Mr. Beast.
Yeah. That's awesome. He's doing
But he's raising money for charity.
We watched 2 or 3.
Yeah.
And he's up to, what's he up, $50 now or something stupid like that from a penny?
Yeah, I don't know because he's got the reset and stuff as well.
Yeah. So it's awesome.
It's a good challenge. So we've downloaded a couple of his series. The Ministry of Ungentlemanly Warfare.
Oh, yes.
Can't remember why we downloaded that.
That looked good, I think.
Cordially Uninvited, which has got Will Ferrell in.
Yeah.
And Robots, which has got Jack Whitehall in.
Yeah.
So, but that's all it would let us download on Amazon.
And Disney Plus.
And Disney Plus. Deadpool. 28 weeks later.
Yep.
The Greatest Showman, purely because the other day I was singing the songs.
Yeah.
Paradise,
Hamilton,
which is new. Hamilton. John made me download Braveheart.
Of course, it's awesome. We're in Scotland, so you have to.
We downloaded Logan, which is the Wolverine thing. We haven't seen... I've seen some, but I haven't seen most of the X-Men. You haven't seen any.
No.
But Wolverine obviously was in Wolverine and Deadpool, so I think we can get away with just watching Logan.
And I think there's a new Marvel one coming out.
With Logan in it.
Yeah.
So
is it end of March?
Right.
One, I think.
So we're going to give Logan a go.
Yep.
Just in case we need to watch it.
Yep.
And then we've downloaded The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, which we have already seen, but we're going to rewatch.
Yep.
And Avengers Endgame, just
because
in case.
It's epic.
Yeah.
And like I said, there's a new one of them coming out, Captain America coming out, so you've got to see that again.
Yeah. But, I mean, we're not going to get through all of that.
Well, it depends how much snow we get.
Yeah, it depends on the weather. Because at the moment, it does say it's going to rain the entire time we're there.
And snow.
Yeah.
So we'll see if it's like snowed in, we might have some snow days, then we'll probably get through all of them.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
But also, it's good to have the variety, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Like, if you don't feel like watching people die at the end of the world, then maybe you can watch a comedy.
Absolutely. We watch all of it, watch some of it, or we don't watch any of it. We just see how it goes. But it's good to have it with us, just in case.
Yeah.
Just in case that we are snowed in or something.
Now we have to pack.
We do, we've got to do our clothes. Everything else is done though, what's really good. Clothes.
And the plan.
Print off the stuff, yeah. And then we're out tonight. So yeah, we've got tons of time. But to be fair, we do a night for a time. I better than I thought we'd be doing. So yeah, we've got loads of time.
Cool. So hard packing for like everything. We're going for 2 weeks, but I think the weather's going to be bad, and also it's going to be cold. Hello, Louis. Louis did help us. Oh, hello. He did help us pack by giving me his giraffe. So we tried to pack that, but then he wanted it back. So yeah, it's been tricky.
The only thing we haven't packed is
John's other stuff.
Toys. I think.
Yeah, Louis' bed and Louis' toys.
Yeah.
But we're just about to print off the proper old school.
We don't need it.
Like the confirmations and the plan and stuff.
Yeah, but I figured we haven't got much internet where we go in.
Yeah.
So it's probably best to put it out.
Yeah.
I think the internet's pretty bad. So yeah, this once, we always do it.
Yeah.
We always say it's the last time. This once is the last time.
No, it's not.
Just because I think the internet's bad.
Like, we haven't already started working on a plan for France.
Wow, yeah, okay.
In the hall there, that's all of the stuff. Oh, look, just there, you can see my cool box.
That is cool.
It's so cool. It's going to be really handy to have in Scotland, because once we've not got everything else in the car, we can, like, put that in the boot and keep, like, drinks and snacks and stuff in there. But, yeah, I think we're going to work on the plan now.
We've got way too much stuff. But I think it's all the stuff we needed.
Yeah.
It really is. It feels like it's a lot, but we are away for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And yeah, we are taking a lot with us.
And we're taking a lot of, like, food with us and alcohol, so.
A couple bottles of wine and whiskey, and yeah, we're doing it properly.
Right, let's do the plan.
Yeah.
Let me show you. This is our holiday folder. This is the first day of our itinerary, including what we're doing in the morning, the afternoon. This is where we're staying. It is the Travel Lodge in Falkirk. Here is some information on the Kelpies. And so on and so forth. Yeah, and it's got all the confirmation and then any info we might want on where we're staying or like where we're visiting. Sometimes it's got like good food to try, or if something is like popular in the area. This is a gin place we're going to go to.
Yes, we are.
So, yeah, if you're not already excited for these vlogs, I've shown you the Kelpies and a gin place. Get excited.
It's going to be good. It's going to be good.
Yeah, but now it's all in the folder.
I think we've been much sorted, haven't we?
Yeah, except that John still needs to watch the last,
Oh, yeah.
what's it called?
Night Agent.
Night Agent, that's it. So we're going to do that now, because we've got an hour before we have to get ready, I think. So it's perfect time. How long is Night Agent? Like an hour?
45 minutes, but yeah, an hour or so.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So let's do that now.
Nice.
That was today's plan.
Don't need that now. No, that's alright. It worked out quite nicely. Yeah, have an hour chill out and then out for tonight.
Yeah, I've really enjoyed putting the itinerary together on. I know it's nerdy.
It is good though, because like you said earlier, we haven't got much internet, we don't think, where we're going, so it's nice to have it just in case we haven't got internet.
Yeah.
The postcode and stuff to chuck in the sat nav. So yeah, it's good. But yeah, it is. We do like it, but it is nerdy.
Yeah, I used Canva.
Yeah.
And I designed the itinerary. It's nothing special.
Yeah.
But yeah, and I enjoyed researching and.
It's good to have. Yeah, absolutely.
We've even got a folder at the back. It's got Scottish foods to try and extra places to visit.
That's gonna be nice. Can't wait for that.
In the folder is a whole chunk of extra places just in case.
Absolutely, yeah. Just in case it's bad weather and you're indoors, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. It's good to have with it. We might do it. We might not. It's a loose plan. It's a plan, but we can sort of change our minds in the day if we wanted to. So yeah.
There's 2 extra things we forgot to print out.
What?
The filming schedule.
Oh yes, you need that. Yes.
Well done, you.
Preparing another attack. We have less than 24 hours to stop it.
If I'm rescued, the president will want to see me. So will all morale.
Zadar's plane lands at 0400 at Joint Base Andrews.
We are running so late.
As always.
Look how nice John looks though. I think you look nice. Right, let's go.
We're back. That was a really, really lovely evening. Yeah, much later than we thought. But yeah, we're back now. Emma's getting ready for bed. But it's much later, so we're going to get to bed and start our holiday tomorrow. So we see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.